And the next question says a computer costs £360 plus 17.5% VAT. Calculate the total cost of the computer. Now this leads us to a topic I call VAT calculation. Now what is VAT in the first place? Okay, now VAT is an extra payment, okay, you make on top of the real cost of a product. Okay, in other words, giving you a bit more explained definition, is a value added tax. Okay, that's the meaning of VAT, value added tax, and it's a type of consumption tax. The type of consumption tax placed on a product whenever value is added to it. Whenever value is added to it at any stage of production. At any stage of production. So in other words, what VAT means is, for a particular amount now you have to pay for a product, let's say $5. If you pay 5% VAT on it, is 5/500 times 5/1, okay, and that would be 25/100. That would be 0.25. So the total amount you're going to pay on that product will be 5 plus 0.25, which is 5.25. Now when you say 5.25, you now write including VAT, including VAT. Okay, now going back to the question we asked earlier, we were told that the computer costs £360 plus 17% VAT. Okay, now the total cost of the computer is going to be £360 plus 17.5% of £360. Okay, so that means total cost of computer will be equal to £360 plus, this is the VAT calculation now, 35/2, or let's read this way, 17.5/100 times 360. Now I'm doing 17.5/100 because 17.5 is the same thing as 17/1/2. Okay, and we're told that the VAT is 17% of the real amount. Now, so the total cost of the computer is going to be £360 plus 17.5%. 17.5 times 360 divided by 100 to give you 63. Now when you add it to 360, you're going to have 423, and that is the total cost of the computer. Generally, when you're asked to calculate VAT now, just ensure that whatever percentage you're given, you use it to multiply the main cost of the product, and then the answer you get, you add it to the cost of the product, and then you have the total cost that you're supposed to pay for the product. That's it for VAT calculation.